Here's how to scrape the profiles of Upwork without any coding knowledge. For this, we will use the Upwork scraper from nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Just download it for your browser. Next, go to the extension. Then press Extract Profiles. As you can see, we extracted the profiles in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. Then press Add to Export List. And go to the next page. Then press Add to Export List again. Do this as many times as you like. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will navigate the pages for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press Stop. Now, to export this, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as CSV. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted. You can also customize the data however you want. To do this, go back to the page. Then, scrape your data again. Make sure this pop-up is open. Then, press on the extension again. Then press Customize Fields. In here, you can shape the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. Once you're done, press Save. Then press Export. After exporting, here's our new customized data.